The world of car manufacturing is entering a whole new era, and it is not just about electric vehicles anymore. Imagine humanoid robots not only working on the production line, but doing so in synchronized harmony like a swarm of bees. That is exactly what is happening at Zeekr's advanced factory, where UBTech Robotics has rolled out a team of Walker S1 robots that operate together using swarm intelligence. Instead of simply functioning as individual units, these robots are connected through a cloud-based and on-device intelligence network called BrainNet. Think of it as a super brain making big decisions, while a local sub-brain fine-tunes movements in real time. These robots can think fast, work together, and even change course if something unexpected happens. It is not science fiction. It is already working in the factory. These bots are incredibly smart. Thanks to a multimodal reasoning model, they can figure out the best way to schedule tasks, sort items, or even deal with materials that are fragile or oddly shaped. They use visual perception and adaptive control to make sure every movement is precise, whether they are lifting something heavy or inspecting a car part. In real-world use at Zeekr, they are proving that robots can do more than just repeat the same motion all day. They can collaborate on tricky jobs, share information instantly, and adjust their grip or posture based on the task. That kind of flexibility used to be something only human workers had. Now, before anyone hits the panic button about job loss, experts say this tech is meant to support people, not replace them. Robots can handle the repetitive or dangerous stuff, while humans can focus on creativity, oversight, and solving problems. The key is smart planning. These swarm robots are not just a game changer for the automotive industry, they are paving the way for new possibilities in healthcare, logistics, and agriculture too. So whether you are a tech enthusiast or someone curious about where the world is headed, this is a moment worth paying attention to. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive into the future of mobility and technology.